Alright guys, so follow me today into this world. We're going to visit another appointment. We're going to an appointment of a homeowner who called us on our postcard. And she basically said she wants to sell her house. So we're like, alright, let's go. So we're going to go check out her house. We're going to do a walkthrough. We're going to go through the sales process. And we're going to hopefully try to get a contract. Remember, when doing this, your number one goal is to find out what they're looking for, why they want to sell. What are they going to use the money for? All these things like that. You can help them out the best they can. So we're going to go in there, do our thing, check it out. It's going to be me and Jules. Jules is our main sales guy. I'm just going to, I'm going this whole month to every appointment to figure this shit out, see how we can get better. But anyways, guys, follow us. See you guys there. Peace. So we're walking in here. I already could tell when we drove up that the property was in a bit of distress, which is good. That's music to our ears. So we're walking around, we're really checking out what the place looks like. We knew from the notes and from the first call that she, called us in, we knew that the house had deficiencies illegally. So we're walking in and we're asking her questions about the efficiencies. That's a pretty nice kitchen. It's got a pretty big kitchen there. So we're asking her what's the deal with it. See, we go outside. She had a couple dogs. I don't know if anybody knows this, but I'm not the friendliest dog person ever. I like them, but look at that little rascal. That thing is scary. But so we're walking around and checking out the place. We can see that there's a couple things done illegally. That thing was done, so we're asking questions. However, some things were permitted, so we're looking around and really determining. We're basically seeing that this house needs pretty much a complete renovation. We're gonna possibly need to restructure the inside of the home because of the additions. And she's kind of just showing us around, really nice lady, and the dog showing us too. So we're walking in here. This is one of the efficiencies that just became vacant. It's unfinished too. I think the bathroom is unfinished. So yeah, our goal again is to write down all the things that need work. We're writing it down on a little repair sheet. And like that when it comes to negotiations, and for our own knowledge, we can bring this up. This is a trailer in the back, actually. The trailer in the back was extremely nice, and she made an apartment out of it, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, we're getting ready to negotiate after walking this out, and we'll see how it goes.
Yo voy a vender, pero yo voy a llamar de 3 a 4 personas.
Okay.
Y la mejor oferta es con ese paquete.
Yeah.
Yo creo que menos de 20 ven.
Okay.
Sí, yo llamo y me dicen.
Sí. Sí, tú llamas y tú le preguntas, ¿cuál es el payoff? Y me dicen.
Ya, ¿cuánto todavía estoy endeudada con ustedes? Y me dicen.
Sí. ¿Y sabes si vendes? ¿Dónde vas? O sea,
Voy, aquí mismo para casa de mi hijo.
Ok, so quieres vender esto para irte a la casa de tu hijo y no...
Ya. Ni una sola vez le he pagado tarde.
Oh, wow.
Porque es que yo cojo más que lo que yo pago. Yo deseo de llegar y acostarme a dormir. Nada más.
Para estar un poquito más
Sí, porque ya estoy mayor.
We're back in the office from the appointment we just went on, and I'm gonna spoil the ending. I didn't get the deal. So I'll tell you a little bit about why, and I'll tell you what I did to help me sleep better at night. This is our conference room here. I'm gonna sit. I gotta sit for this. I gotta sit this. I'm gonna lift up my legs. I'm chilling. Alright, so I'll tell you why real quick. Why? Her objection that I couldn't overcome was she wanted to get 4 offers from 4 different investors, okay? And so this tells me a few things, right? We did some good marketing because we were the first ones there. We're the first postcard she gets, and we're the first ones she calls. So we did good in marketing. Now, the bad is that, she's got that fear of like she can get a better deal. So to overcome that, I tried a couple things. I tried, price anchoring, so starting low, then going higher, so she feels like she squeezed us out of a good deal. She was like a very sharp, driver personality type. Also, what I did was we tried to get out of her like what her real needs were. Obviously, we're trying to help as much as we can. See where she's trying to go. If we can help her move, if we can help her find a new place, etc., etc. But her main objection was she wanted to see other offers. I told her I could pay her I could pay her more with different financing options, things like that. She didn't care. She just wanted to hear our offer and then go shop. So the only thing I do to help me sleep better at night is I tell her, all right, our offer was this, but at this point, if you don't want to do a deal with us, I don't like to wait. I don't like to compete much. I think it's better off you just take your chances with those other guys, and we'll put this as a no. We'll put it as we're not going to do a deal, and I'll just go buy another house down the street. I literally told her that in Spanish. And she was like, no, but I want to do a deal. I said, okay, cool. So I have the paperwork right here. She's like, no, but I'm not ready. I'm like, look, when you're absolutely ready, you can call me. Other than that, you don't have to call me. We'll just buy something else. Don't worry about it. And it sets the stage like we're not playing any games. We're here to make some deals happen. So anyways, that was pretty cool. I mean, that basically getting a yes or a no helps me sleep at night. So that's what we did. I think the appointment went pretty well. We followed the process. Those things we could have done better. I hate when people are just like aren't ready to do deals, but it's their house. There's tons of things that are going on in their minds, and she was a nice, sharp lady. And it was just good to go through the motion and do it and take pictures and kind of go through that process. But anyways, deep breath in, deep breath out. Now it's just time to go more appointments. Remember, you gotta go in at least 10 appointments a week if you want to get some deals. So basically, it's just time for us to go more appointments. We're still gonna put her in our follow-up funnel and follow up with her maybe once every week or once every 2 weeks, and kind of just take it from there. Take it day by day. But anyways, guys, from me to you, I'm chilling. Today is Wednesday. Had a lot of work though. Look at these biceps, son. Look at these. I did work out today. But just gonna go more appointments. So guys, if you like this shit, subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the little bell. Like that, you get notifications of our next appointments or our next live deals, of our next things. I do Facebook lives and Instagram lives every once in a while. So follow me on Instagram and Facebook. At Raul Balufe on any of them. YouTube, Raul Balufe. Instagram, Facebook, Raul Balufe. Follow me there. Also, if you're local, we have a free meetup the last Tuesday of every month here in our office in South Florida, right over there somewhere. But anyways, guys, one love. Peace out. See you guys on the next video.